This is how to make my sweet potato peanut curry that's creamy, comforting, and perfect for any night of the week. It's so rich and flavorful you won't even realize it's meat-free. And the best part is that it all comes together in one pot. So once the curry base has been fried off, I'm adding some sweet potatoes, chickpeas, and coconut milk to make it extra decadent. Once that comes together, I'm mixing in some peanut butter to give it that nutty, creamy richness that you just can't resist. I'm mixing in some sweet potato leaves to freshen it up, but you could also use spinach or kale. To finish, I'm topping with fresh coriander and of course a drizzle of my homemade chili oil. And there you go, add this one to the menu for your next curry night.